President Kahil State People's Democratic Party Hspdp KP Pangyang hakasaw tarik uyayong habakren halo ka election ka Bansalong ha Sohïong constituency ulaong ba ukertong kaseng uba sandondo rentatyang ulami madan mentaban Pynkhreh nakabenta ka election bakasya menta sa hakaray kipalpat. Habakren halo kaseng United Democratic Party UDP baki kmilanti ka jinggasyan ni kipalpa halo ka jing skolam ulaong pan.
I cannot say about that. I cannot even comment because I don't know the real ground there in the Sohïong constituency. But the thing that I have the information that only my own candidate is going to prepare well, and as you already aware also that the sitting MLA has left the party, so it's not easy for us to face the election, even though to maintain the party principle and the vote banks of the party, we have a good candidate, Usamla Sandandar Relatia, to be the candidate, and he has already the candidate officially, and now he is on the field, and it is depend on the public, mandate to whom to choose, whom to win.
Habakren pat halo ka jimbamla jang kaseng men ha ka election baladam kung president jang kaseng uba pangyang ulaong baki aron ki MLA kila ya chakmat baki lapinya so baka sorka hadin ka election baladam kabalawan rajing kaseng Henry wala ka ta ka jingja balayo di ki aron kalong ka masongkon.
See, actually in the last election we have done well because before we go to the field we have only two MLAs. Sitting MLAs. Both of them, they went to join another parties. So we start zero ground on the ground. We have no MLA at all. But as you have seen the result, that still two MLAs coming back in our party. So we feel like we are doing well, and we start again to mobilize the party, reorganization of the party, rebuilding the party. That is our boundary now as the party for the strengthening of the party in the near future.
Habak kadaw bakaseng kam judaway kasyuki menteri hakasokar MDA ka ba ulaong pakadan ka jingtruan nakaseng National People's Party NPP banyadan bentalang hakasorka batkum kaseng usohon ba onyadan bentalang ki arngon kinomikmat hakani kasorka.
The MDP already requested our party to come and to join hand in the MDA2 government. And from our party we have no demand, but only one minister to be installed in the first place. Later on the another will will share the birth of the ministry.